So a couple of weeks ago, I made chilaquiles rellenos rojos, and a lot of you guys were asking me for the green ones. So today I'm gonna be making chilaquiles rellenos en salsa verde. Cheers! We're gonna start off by making the salsa. In a pot set to medium heat with some water, I'm gonna add 10 tomatillos, 2 jalapeños, 2 serrano peppers, small piece of a white onion, and 2 garlic cloves. Boil just until the tomatillos change color. It's been about 7 minutes, and as you can see, the tomatillos have changed color. Now we transfer everything into the blender, along with a small bunch of cilantro, 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon, and half a cup of the water where we boiled the tomatillos. And we blend. And this is how I like it. If you want it thicker, then just don't add the water. I've set my pan on low-medium heat with some oil, and I'm gonna cook the salsa. Mix. This is the perfect time to check for salt. Mine needs a little bit, and we add a strand of epazote. Now we let it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. After about 3 minutes, our salsa is now ready. I'm gonna turn it off. For the masa here, I have 2 cups of corn masa, and I'm gonna add some salt. Now we start adding the warm water slowly, and make sure you keep mixing as you're adding. I usually add between 1.5 to 2 cups of water. We keep mixing until the dough starts forming and you have a well-hydrated masa. Okay, so after about 5 minutes of kneading, our dough is ready. Now we grab a small ball of dough and we start making the chilaquiles. I'm gonna use a Ziploc bag. We add the ball of dough and press. Okay, now we add some cheese. I'm using Oaxaca, but you can use your favorite melting cheese. With these ingredients, you can make about 25 chilaquiles. Now we can start frying. I set my pan on medium heat with some oil, and we start adding them. We're gonna fry until golden. It should take you about 1.5 minutes on each side. Make sure the chilaquiles are well sealed and the masa is not too thin, because otherwise the cheese will come out when you're frying them. These are now ready, and I'm gonna take them out. Now to prepare them, I add the salsa. I like to add a lot. Some red onion, Crema Mexicana, and grated Cotija cheese, or you can also use queso fresco. These are so good and they're super cheesy. All right, guys, now for the moment of truth. Cheers. These are so delicious. And I love that this time I stuffed them with queso Oaxaca. You can use the cheese that you desire. I like Manchego, Munster, one of my favorite cheeses. But if you haven't tried these are so delicious, you need to try them. And there you have it, delicious chilaquiles rellenos en salsa verde. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!